I'm here with Todd Bazemore from Pharmaceuticals. Todd, you have cool things that we're talking about today. You know, I know this doesn't come as news to you, that the tear film isn't just one monolithic thing, you know, that we put in a drop and then the drop is in the tears and it's sort of end of story. There's this gelatinous mucin combination that whatever drug that we put in has to make its way through. Now you have a drug, a vehicle that targets this. Can I have you talk this out? First of all, what is it called, and what does it do, and how does it do it?
Sure, great questions, Josh. So our technology is known as Amplified, and the technology came out of Bob Langer's lab at MIT. And it utilizes mucus-penetrating particles to increase the delivery of drug to the ocular surface. Our first drug is Inveltus, which was approved in August of last year and launched in January of this year with an indication to treat post-ocular surgery pain and inflammation. And we believe with this technology, we're able to deliver much higher concentrations of the steroid to the corneal surface and eventually into the aqueous humor.
What is the nature of the actual steroid that is delivered?
Sure. So we're using lotoprednol as our steroid.
Huh. And you show that you can actually get more steroid in the eye. What is the typical dosing?
Sure. So the product is actually the only steroid approved for BID dosing in post-ocular surgery. As you know, all steroids previously approved were approved for only 4 times a day or QID dosing.
Huh. Really, really cool. And is this an available product now, or is this something that's in the pipeline that I'm going to have to wait for?
This product was approved last August, and we launched it in the first quarter of this year.
Marvelous. Now, I understand from our conversation off camera that that you have plans to employ this vehicle for other medications too. Can you talk about that a little bit?
Correct. So we have a second product candidate, KPI 121 0.25%.
A catchy name.
Very catchy. We'll have a better name in the future, I promise. That product also uses lotoprednol in a much lower concentration, using our amplified technology with a target indication for the short-term treatment of signs and symptoms of dry eye disease. That NDA is currently under review with a PDUFA date of August 15th of this year.
Todd, this is cool stuff. Very, very high tech. And, you know, certainly anything that reduces the frequency at which a patient needs to use the drop is going to increase compliance. I want to thank you for bringing this really neat news to us, for being so very generous with your time with us today.
Great. Well, thank you very much, Josh.